Okay, so what we have here is the transmitter code. There is a few more lines to it than just that, but it doesn't really matter. Alright, there's the serial monitor. These are the input values that we're getting from the joystick on this Arduino Nano right here. Everything is connected up to the schematics. The 5-volt rail doesn't really matter where you get it from as long as the grounds are commoned up. Alright, so that is the transmit module. The power is separated from the receiving module, so is the ground. We have the receiving module with the NRF over here, the LED, and the 2 servos, and there is the code for the receiver and the serial monitor. So if we put this, let's try and get this like in the let's say 56 by 52. We have about the same values here, and there we have the servos reacting. There's just the X servo, there's just the Y, and there's both of them together. Yeah, and the fire LED when we have button on, we have the LED on. Alright, and obviously we have the LED button reacting over here as well. So yeah, that's the setup, and it works.